You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from Latin. We'll be looking at how to say more Latin expressions that are commonly mispronounced in loco parentis. So in loco means in place of, or in lieu if you wish. In loco being a place, parentis is the parent. So in the place of a parent is what it means. In loco parentis is how it's said. In loco parentis. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more legal terms too. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.